Now to today's COVID-19 headlines. It is another day of record-breaking cases in Texas. 8,000 new cases were documented today. 8,076 is the highest number of single-day cases the state has ever reached, and it is up more than 1,000 from yesterday. Hospitals and the Texas Medical Center are hiring hundreds of clinical healthcare workers to help battle COVID-19 on the front lines. Many of you have been asking us on social media if our medical institutions have enough staffing for even more increases in the number of cases. Chris Costa has the answer.
A major concern for public health leaders. Can our hospitals handle a major influx of COVID-19 cases? Houston paramedics say it's taking longer to transfer patients from an ambulance to an ER.
You know, what was taking 20, 30, 35 minutes now has doubled in certain instances.
It's happened hundreds of times in the last 3 weeks, over and over again at the same hospitals.
They haven't given us a reason why it's taken longer. We just know that certainly in the last week and a half, we've noticed about a 20% increase in the time it takes just to give a report to the patient.
Texas Medical Center leaders say they have plenty of beds available, which brings up the question of staffing. Memorial Hermann, St. Luke's, and Houston Methodist say they're hiring for hundreds of frontline healthcare workers across their hospital systems, not just those in the med center. Memorial Hermann Health System and Methodist have almost 500 open clinical positions each. St. Luke's has 800 open positions of all kinds across the state. They're also tapping into contract workers to fill gaps, a typical practice regardless of a pandemic.
Because they're facing the same issues that we are, you know. Their personnel are getting exposed and they may have an issue with adequate staffing just like we're facing.
And with hospitals now tapping into their next phase of available beds, doctors are pleading with people to mask up and stay at least 6 feet apart.
We're really concerned because even the largest medical city in the world has its limits.
In Houston, Chris Costa, KHOU 11 News.